Hello friends. Today we are discussing about method statement in RCC construction work. General Reinforced Cement Concrete (RCC) work method of statement. A method statement is a document outlining the detailed procedures, methodologies, and safety measures for a specific construction activity, in this case, reinforced cement concrete (RCC) work. It ensures that the work is performed according to industry standards, regulations, and project specifications while prioritizing safety and quality. Here's a breakdown of the typical sections within a method statement for RCC work. 1. Project overview and details. Project name and location. Identify the specific project and its location. Description of the work. Briefly describe the RCC work involved, example footings, columns, beams, slabs. Project start and end dates duration, specify the timeline for the RCC work. Relevant drawings and specifications. Reference the applicable drawings and specifications governing the RCC work. Permits and licenses. List any required permits or licenses for the RCC construction activity. 2. Resources. Materials. Detail the type and grade of concrete, example M25, M30, cement, aggregates, water, reinforcement steel, example Fe415, binding wire, cover blocks, shuttering oil, and any admixtures to be used, including their storage and testing requirements. Equipment and tools. Specify the plant, equipment, and tools needed, including concrete pumps, vibrators, power trowels, surveying equipment, scaffolding, formwork materials, example shuttering ply, MS shuttering, and hand tools. Manpower. Outline the required personnel, including skilled and unskilled labor, supervisors, engineers, and safety officers. Responsibilities. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of key personnel involved in the RCC work, including project managers, construction managers, site engineers, QA/QC personnel, safety officers, and supervisors. 3. Work methodology and sequence. Pre-construction activities. Site clearance and leveling. Excavation to the required levels and dimensions. Laying of plain cement concrete, PCC, bed and its curing. Setting out and marking column structure locations as per drawing grids. Reinforcement work. Preparation of bar bending schedules, BBS, as per approved drawings. Cutting, bending, and fixing reinforcement steel, including proper storage and handling to prevent rust and damage. Ensuring correct lap lengths, spacing, and adequate concrete cover using spacer blocks. Highlighting and addressing areas of reinforcement congestion. Formwork installation. Fabrication and erection of formwork according to drawings and specifications, ensuring accuracy in dimensions, shape, and alignment. Application of shuttering oil to ensure easy removal and proper concrete finish. Ensuring watertight joints.